guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Euphoria inspired Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing that look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm actually going to be using the, if I can get it without knocking anything else over, perfect. I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Love Palette for today's look. First up, I'm going to dip into the shade Intense, and I'm just going to kind of start building that up, mostly on like the inner part of my crease. And then I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to go into the shade Giving, and I'm going to kind of put that on a large portion of my lid, but focusing it mainly on the inner corner. And I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into that the shade First, which is just like my skin tone pretty much. And I'm just gonna set my outer corners so that all of my primer is set. The beginning shadow portion of this look is very easy, obviously. I'm not gonna do this on camera with you guys, but I am gonna go into my little rainbow cake liner palette. I'm gonna use the red shade and I'm gonna do a nice red wing. And then I'm gonna put on my base and I'll be back to continue working on this look. All right, really quick so I can put this away. For my under eyes, I obviously went back in to the Love palette. And I took Heart and I kind of lined my lower lash line, and then I just blended it out with a little bit of Intense. Alright, so for my bronzer, I'm going to go into the ABH Belgian Waffle palette. And honestly, I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to go through all three of them. I'm not going to like layer them, I'm literally just going to through all three. If you've seen some of my videos recently, I've been talking about how I really needed to wash my brushes. I just like didn't have the mental capacity to do it, and I finally did it. It took me 2 times because I had to wash some and then let them sit and then come back and wash the rest. But I did it the cheaty way, and I used Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. That stuff is absolutely amazing. I know that I need to like wash my brushes the next round, so I'm trying to like, I have a very small amount of dirty brushes right now that I think I'm just gonna wash today so that they're like clean, but like so it's not an overwhelming amount. But anyways, the Cinema Secrets has this like vanilla scent once it's completely dried. It smells absolutely fucking horrendously toxic while it's being used, but when it dries it has this vanilla scent, and like all of my brushes when I bring them up to my face are just like vanilla. And like I'll take that over the toxic scent of the cleaning product, but sometimes it can get just a little bit overpowering. Like when I'm washing my brushes and I'll walk out of the bathroom and I'll come back, it'll be like, oh my god. Alright, and then for my blush, I'm going to go into the BH Bellini palette. And I think I'm going to mix together Life's a Peach and Peachy Keen. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus this a little bit farther back, this color on my nose, because I like a blush nose. And then I'm going to actually go in with a clean brush, and I'm going to go into Georgia Peach, which is really light. And I'm just going to put that like right on my apples. That sounded weird. Right on the apples of my cheeks, not right on my apples. And then for my highlight, I'm going to go into my newer of the Nicole palette, which if you've seen my Project Pan video, I am using my older version of this, so now you can see what my newer one looks like. See, I've still put a massive dent into Daydream. But I'm going to go into Daydream, and I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to top it off with just a little bit of the Sugar Glow Kit in Marshmallow. Off camera, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. I have here my little container of rhinestones. I'm gonna put some rhinestones right up here. And then for my lips, I'm gonna use the Revlon Cloud Blotted Lip Color in the shade Blush Much. And I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. Obviously, if you are recreating this yourself, you could do more rhinestones, less rhinestones, whatever you are comfortable with. I just wanted to have a little fun. I got some pink, I got some red ones to like a magenta pink to kind of like this purpley blue over here. And I just love the way that they catch the light and they just look really, really cute. And it's definitely very Euphoria inspired, which is very cool right now and a very, very inspiring show when it comes to makeup. So I love that so much. And yeah, this is just a really cute Valentine's Day makeup look. Simple enough. So comment down below and let me know what your plans are for Valentine's Day. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!